Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I will discuss about safety in the pandemic period. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Hope you have a happy feeling today because happy feelings can make us fantastic in carrying out activity. Currently, the world is being hit by a COVID-19 pandemic, including Indonesia, which reports the first case of COVID-19 on March 2, 2020. At the beginning of the pandemic in Indonesia, many people experienced panic and the country's economic declines due to low people's purchasing power as a result of the impact of the pandemic, where many people are fired and do not have jobs to limit their activities. The government often calls for some basic rules to avoid the dangers of COVID-19 before the discovery of vaccine, including washing hands, wearing masks, and keeping a distance. These rules will also have an impact on people's daily activity. Now, I will explain some of the rules implemented by the government to maintain safety in the era of the COVID-19 pandemic. Next slide. The first is to keep your distance. This appeal was issued to avoid people who are infected with COVID-19, so that we minimize the impact that will be caused because COVID can spread fluids from the body and the surrounding air, which are susceptible to impact others. This will also make many changes in people's life, where with the rules of social distancing, many workers work from home. Besides pouring at the mosque also requires 1 meter of social distancing and also holding distance learning for students. Of course, changing the lifestyle and habits that already exist in the community to minimize the impact of COVID-19. And the second is washing hand. According to research, the COVID virus can survive and stick to the surface of object. Therefore, washing hands after activity is highly recommended because after we do outdoor activity, we can be sure that our hands are holding various kind of object that can be said to be uncertain, and it could be the presence of the COVID virus stick to the surface. Washing hand after activity can kill the virus on your hands and prevent COVID that might happen to someone. However, if COVID has become endemic and can be uh, controlled, the habit of the washing hand is likely to continue because apart from killing the COVID virus, dirty hands may contain other virus that can harm the body. And last, wearing a mask. The COVID virus can fly and enter through the respiratory tract as a result of uh, cau- cau- causing and infected people. The use of mask can certainly reduce the percentage of people who are infected with COVID. The government also requires the use of masks in public places at the beginning of the spread of COVID. Even the rules for the use of masks are tightened when there is a spike in case of Indonesia. The rules are used in the government's effort to protect citizens and break the chain of COVID that is happening elsewhere. Currently, the Indonesian government has relaxed the rules for using masks after 2 years of COVID and currently under control. It seems that many people are used to wearing masks to public places and even driving because apart from being aware to presence of COVID, wearing mask can also keep the respiratory tract from getting worse. Particle of dust or dirt in the air that can infect the respiratory tract. Uh, Next slide. The appeal given by the government in maintaining safety in the pandemic era is rule that must be obeyed where every country wants to minimum numbers of cases that occur in its country. each of the apples given is also aimed at the safety of our own lives to avoid COVID, which is currently engulfing various countries. By complying with regulations such as wearing masks, washing hands, and keeping a distance, it can be said that it has been proven to minimize COVID cases that occur. Beside that, at this time, every country is also to speed up vaccination of its citizens, so that they can free from COVID and accelerate the economic development of countries that had slumped. Maybe that's all I can say about how to take care of yourself in this pandemic era. Hopefully, it can be useful because healthy is an expensive things and can only be obtained with the discipline of healthy living. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.